the Maple Leaf Learning Playhouse. Hey guys, let's make a shark puppet, okay? Yeah. Well, first we have to do some coloring. And what color is a shark? Well, I think a shark is gray, isn't it? Yeah, I'm going to color mine gray. But please feel free to color your shark any color you want, okay? Yeah. Great, and let's color inside of his mouth red. And color around his teeth. Yeah, a shark has lots of really sharp teeth. Kinda scary, aren't they? Great, and bottom fins. And some green eyes. And grab your scissors and let's just cut these strips off and put them to the side for now, okay? Yeah. And before you cut, let's do some folding, okay? Fold on this line like that. And this line like this. And fold the middle line like this. It's much easier to fold it and cut it afterwards. Great! Now grab your scissors and cut them out. Great! And now, there's our puppet. Not finished yet. Grab the strips and let's cut those out too, okay? Great! Now we need some glue. Grab your glue, and we're going to fold these strips so that they fit onto the puppet, okay? There's one. And fold the other one too. Great! Now grab your glue and let's glue them on like this. Glue one on this side. And one on the other side. Yeah! And we're all done. That was easy. And now this is what our shark puppet looks like. Pretty cool, eh? Hey, I know a song that has a shark in it. Let's sing, okay? Yeah. Let's go to the aquarium! Yeah! Aquarium, aquarium, dolphin, dolphin, shark. Aquarium, aquarium, penguin, penguin, fish. Aquarium, aquarium, seal, octopus. I love the aquarium. One more time! Aquarium, aquarium, dolphin, dolphin, shark. Aquarium, aquarium, penguin, penguin, fish. Aquarium, aquarium, seal, octopus. I love the aquarium. I like apples. I don't like peaches.
I like carrots. I don't like potatoes.
I like bananas. I don't like cherries.
I like cucumbers. I don't like onions. What was that? I like pirates.
Help! Let me out of here! Help! Help! Arr!
Thanks for playing. Maple Leaf Learning. Hi Hi guys, I hope you're happy today. If you subscribe, I'll be happy too. Yeah.